Hi, this is Rajendra Reddy. We are from Navabharath Packaging Private Limited, which is one of the manufacturer of recycled granules and mulching sheet and tarpaulins and LDP pipes and garbage bags, and some products comes in industrial package like LDP bags, ring film, anti-static. All we are in our factory is located at Amberpet in Hyderabad. So we are marketing in all over India in the projects as well as retail market also. Why people are, we are maintaining, we are the companies, we are maintaining the quality as well as service. We are supplying the material along with the quality certificate with along with the MTC test reports also and ISO company. So we are having some BIS certificate company also. Since we founded this company found about 38 years old company. So 1965 years established in Hyderabad. This is we are first time we are participated in this exhibition. We are very quite happy because of the inquiries are floating. It's the first day itself we can't expect this much crowd and inquiries. We are expected. We are very happy about that. Thank you.